For the repair of the Knogsberg engine telegraph unit, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we added 24-volt DC power supply and a multimeter. By adding the power supply, the unit reacts, and we can see the 5 voltage outputs on the multimeter screen. No further testing for the whole unit is possible due to lack of additional units. It is now clear that the telegraph unit is operating successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.